Hello, I'm Natasha Soderberg. I'm the associate head here at Butler Montessori. What to send for your elementary child? Our elementary children wear uniform. Don't spend a lot of money on your uniform because it will be destroyed by the end of the year. They spend a lot of time in the creek and getting muddy and rolling around up and down the grassy hills. And their uniform is there so that they can do whatever they need to do when they're outside as well as inside. Send in comfortable shoes that they can run around in and be active in, and send, of course, a pair of boots for those days when they go to the creek or they go hiking far or it's really, really muddy, so that they can change into their boots. Do send a change of clothes. Like I said, they're outside, they get dirty, they always need a change of clothes. They never grow out of that. This year we're not moving back to backpacks. We're staying with sending in just your lunchbox with a healthy lunch inside and a snack and the water bottle. And many parents have found this year the little coolers have been really wonderful because we don't refrigerate the elementary food. So you can pop a little couple of ice blocks in there, and when they open it at lunchtime, it's still fresh and yummy.